Hello, I'm Dan Berkalia for DP Review, and this is the Sony A6000 mirrorless camera. The Sony A6000 is the successor to the very popular Sony Alpha NEX6. It sits just above the Sony A5100 in the company's mirrorless lineup. In fact, the A6000 and the A5100 are extremely similar, the biggest difference being the A6000's electric viewfinder and more extensive external controls missing from the cheaper A5100. The A6000 offers a 24.3 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Sony's Bionz X image processor. The biggest advancement over its predecessor is the vastly improved hybrid autofocus system featuring 25 contrast detect and 179 phase detect points that cover almost the entire frame. In fact, we found the A6000 to be class-leading when it comes to autofocus speed and accuracy in a large sensor mirrorless camera. The camera itself handles well with ample customizable buttons and click wheels for solid control, plus a quick menu. It offers a burst rate of 11 frames per second with subject tracking, full HD video capture at 1080 60p and 24p with clean HDMI output and Wi-Fi connectivity as well as NFC. Overall, this is an extremely well-rounded camera that offers class-leading features for a very reasonable price point. For more information on the Sony A6000 and all things digital photography, head to dpreview.com.
Hi, I'm Allison for DP Review, and this is the Olympus OM10 EM10 II. It's the latest affordable mirrorless camera from Olympus and is designed to be a camera you can grow into. The EM10 II offers enough automation that it can be used by a beginner, but enough direct controls that it can be enjoyed by a budding enthusiast. It's one of the smallest cameras in its class, but still finds room for a high-res electronic viewfinder and an excellent image stabilization system useful for both video and stills shooting. As you'd now expect in this class, the EM10 II has built-in Wi-Fi to transfer images across to your smartphone. This means you can share your photos as you shoot them, rather than having to wait till you get home. The camera is compatible with a wide range of micro Four Thirds lenses, which includes some useful lenses at relatively affordable prices. To learn more about the Olympus OM10 EM10 II, visit dpreview.com.
The Fujifilm XT20 is the company's latest mid-range SLR-style mirrorless camera. It features the same 24-megapixel APS-C sensor used in Fujifilm's flagship cameras. An improved autofocus system makes the XT20 a great upgrade for users who've outgrown their entry-level camera and who want more control over their photography. The XT20 features extensive direct control points for immediate access to exposure and focus settings. The improved image sensor captures detailed images and now also records 4K video footage. The XT20 also features a touchscreen that can be used to position the autofocus point in both stills and video shooting. We especially appreciate Fujifilm's excellent JPEG engine, which makes it easy to get great-looking, print-ready photos straight from the camera. The XT20 wraps up some of Fujifilm's best imaging technology into a well-priced, well-featured body. It's also a great entry point into one of the best lens systems on the market. For more information about the Fujifilm XT20 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com. The Canon EOS M50 is a mirrorless interchangeable lens camera that sits at the entry-level end of Canon's M series lineup. It combines the proven 24-megapixel sensor and dual-pixel CMOS autofocus of Canon's higher-end mirrorless and DSLR models with a more compact form factor and user-friendly ergonomics. Dual-pixel autofocus covers a significant portion of the image sensor and results in snappy, accurate focus acquisition. A new Digic 8 processor enables 4K video at up to 24p, a first for Canon's EOS M range. Full HD video up to 60p is also possible, with full autofocus support and no crop. Despite the M50's tiny form factor, it includes a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a tilting, touch-sensitive rear screen. The screen can be used to place the desired autofocus point by touch. as well as to scroll through and zoom into captured images. The M50's user interface is intended to be as simple as possible for first-time camera users, without sacrificing the kind of creative control that more experienced photographers will expect. Built-in Wi-Fi has become an expected feature in entry-level cameras, but the M50 is the first Canon interchangeable lens camera that can automatically transfer JPEGs to your smartphone once they have been paired. For more information on the Canon EOS M50, visit dpreview.com. The Nikon Z6 is an entry-level full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, built around a 24-megapixel sensor. The Z6 features an advanced on-sensor phase detection autofocus system, with 273 PDAF points offering wide frame coverage. IAF will be added via firmware. Autofocus performance is rated down to -2 EV in normal situations, with f2 and faster lenses, and a 5-axis in-body stabilization system helps keep images sharp. An electronic shutter silent shooting option is also available, which could prove very useful for performance and event photographers. The Z6 provides a fairly familiar DSLR-style handling experience. There's a large, comfortable hand grip, a top-mounted OLED status panel, and an exceptionally clear and crisp 3.6 million dot OLED viewfinder. It also uses an EN-EL15 type battery, which is compatible with the D750 and D800 series DSLRs. The Z6 is a very capable video camera, offering oversampled full-frame 4K video, and an option for 120p slow-motion HD capture. A firmware update will add support for raw video output over HDMI to an external recorder. The Z6 provides a range of video-specific tools, including zebra stripes, real-time focus peaking during recording, and a 10-bit N-Log option via HDMI. For more information on the Nikon Z6, visit dpreview.com.